Hi devs! Just look at these tokens I recently launched using a new method for launching meme coins on Solana. As you can see, all my meme coins have given me a good profit. In this video, I launch a meme coin with a new profitable method and show you live trading. This method appeared very recently. For now, this method is very profitable, but this is not financial advice. I am not financial advisor, they are just my personal opinions on the market in a very expensive private group of traders, so no one knows about it yet. This method doesn't require paid influencers, marketing, or promotion. We'll use a new feature that's been introduced on some meme coin launch services. I also won't need a Pump.Fun. My token will appear immediately on DEX screener, Axiom, and so on. And moreover, that meme coin will look good for traders. So I don't need Pump.Fun, we just need this site. This isn't just clickbait. I will show you live trading result in this video. I can't say how long this method will work, but now it works and I think maybe will work in the near future. The crypto and meme coins trading is popular again, and with it, new ways to make serious gains are emerging. Today I'm going to show you one of the most promising methods. So yes, this method working right now. In this video you saw firsthand a new method for launching meme coins and rug pull method. This video is for educational purposes. Okay, we need this site. I will leave a link to the site in the video description. When launching a token on services like this, the token will automatically appear on all services like DEX Screener, Axiom, and so on. Well, first I open the DEX Screener. Choose any hype token that is popular now. This need to have more buyers and good trading with our meme coin. Okay, I found good token, just a random popular token. Now I click create token. I copy the name, symbol, and picture, and I will launch 1 billion tokens, but the quantity is not important. Now enter any description. By the way, it can be funny. And now the most important thing, a new function. We will change the information about the token creator wallet address. More precisely, we will specify someone big wallet with big amount of Solana. Yes, this is a new function. We can replace the information about the token creator. This information will be replaced in the smart contract metadata. But don't worry, you will be the real owner and you will be able to fully manage your token. Look at this. There's one of many services powerful tool that instantly tracks launched meme coins, along with daily data on the wallets that created them. Hundreds of thousands of traders and sniper bots follow these services, and our goal is for our coin to be chosen by these traders. Here's the strategy. We enter a wallet that have a large amount of Solana and then deploy a new meme coin with very low initial liquidity, for example, just 1 Sol. That alone is enough to get our token picked up by these tracking tools and automatically displayed to a massive audience of potential buyers and sniper bots. Traders will see that our token has just launched and has low liquidity, but the creator's wallet has a lot of Solana, which they will add to the liquidity later, after the tokens are distributed to the wallets of the people they need at a lower price. Traders think so, and they are right. Any buyer could buy this meme token at a very low price for 15 minutes, and then this token flew to the moon. Today I will launch a meme coin that will seem the same to buyers. Okay, I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copied the wallet address and paste it here. I leave these functions enabled because it increases the credibility of the meme coin for traders. Okay, for the token to appear everywhere, including DEX screener, need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on PubSwap, this is a new function on Pump.Fun, or on Radium, or directly on this service, turning on this option. Specify how much Solana and your token supply you want to add to the liquidity. Don't worry, liquidity can always be withdrawn back. This is exactly what we will do. Withdraw liquidity back after traders buy our token. I will add liquidity on this side. I have already launched many tokens here. Look, I open the liquidity pool page. All my tokens are profitable. I launched all my meme coins using this new method. Okay, I will add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool. But you can add less, for example 1 Solana. But I have already launched many tokens using this method, and the biggest profit is when the liquidity is about 3 Solana. But with 1 Solana it is also good. Okay, now it takes how many tokens I will add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding 90% of the total supply. For example, if 1 billion tokens are launched, then we add 900 million. Okay, now I choose a 2% fee and that's it. Now I paste my wallet address here, tokens will be sent to this address and this address will be the real owner. Now I click launch token and I see a payment window. I need to send Solana to this address. This is liquidity pool and the fee for creating a token. Okay, I made a transaction. Now I click check transaction. And boom, I see my meme coin address. Now I copy the token address, then go to the deck screener and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address with our token. Okay, good. We see our token on deck screener. We need to wait just a few minutes for real people to start buying. Note, deck screener displays liquidity amount twice as much as real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Alright, the first transaction just hit, which means our Solana meme coin is now officially live and trading. Now it's time to sit back and watch as the early buyers start jumping in and activity picks up. Low cap meme coins on Solana are making headlines again, and with the hype comes a wave of new stealth launch strategies designed to attract attention without big marketing spend. Each bull cycle brings its own set of fast-moving profit tactics, but they rarely last long. So when you come across a strategy that's working right now, especially one of that can position your token in front of hungry traders. You got to move quickly and capitalize before the window closes. Okay, I will speed up the video and take a look at what will happen in the 15 minutes of trading. Nice, the sniper bots have joined in. They are buying in multiple transactions. Usually it's about 10 transactions of 1 or 2 SOL. Just look at this trading, it's amazing. Guys are buying up my meme coins like hotcakes, and all thanks to this new method. As you know, similar methods often appear on Solana. This is just one of them. There will be many more. If I remove liquidity right now, we'll get about 12 SOL. That's a good solid profit such a low cap launch. Let's back to the liquidity page and take a look at my real-time profit. To take liquidity pullback, all I need to do is click remove liquidity, set it to 100% and press confirm. Just like that, the funds go straight back to the wallet and boom, liquidity is removed and now we can say rack pull is completed. The platform makes all actions simple. You don't even need to sign any transaction. Everything is handled automatically by the service smart contract. But you can see it now on the screener. 13 SOL, good profit. The goal is to help you spot red flags like this early and didn't fall for this. Thanks for watching. Bye.